3, 2, 1.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video. Welcome to Moneycoin apps and airdrops. Just in case this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel or my video on YouTube, please do ensure you subscribe to my channel so you can always get notification whenever I upload new video to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to participate on Opincure crypto. Opincure is open investment currency, and though it's not new, but most people are not aware of it. Most of my followers are not aware of it, and it tends to be one of a great projects that would do better in the future. So in this video I'll be putting you through the procedure on how we can create accounts and mine as much of this coin we can before the launch the mining begins. So the first thing we'll do, I've already downloaded the app. I'll be dropping the link below on this video description so you can download and as well register. So the first thing we'll do, let's go to the browser. Here is our main website. We want to know what is Opincure so we can have an idea about the project. So when you open the website on the browser, the first information you get to see here says welcome to Opincure. We build Opincure ecosystem together with our community. We will be glad if you join our like-minded people. When we scroll further, we'll say it says welcome to our unique Opincure project. Now this is what the project is about. It says together with a team of experienced developers using new technology and a unique economic model, we have created a multi-user platform that will provide you with passive income without investment and forced purchase. Now if you read this other paragraph, it says we have created a unique cryptocurrency called CIO that's absolutely free of charge, will be distributed among platform users depending on their activities. CIO will be increasingly acquired purchasing power over time. This means that over time, as a user, you will be able to buy more and more goods and services with our CIO, since our currency will not be subject to inflation. So that's a nice one. You can read through the other informations and get more updates. Now if you click on this, when you click on this Apple Store, you can download it. If you're using iPhone, you can download this app to your phone. And if you're using Android, you can download it here on Google Play Store. You can follow them on their Telegram channel, their Facebook page, their Instagram, and Twitter, so you can always get updates whenever they post new information. Now when you click on the menu here at the top right, here is their roadmap. Here is a CIO tokenomics and the ecosystem white paper. Contact us. Now let's check the roadmap, which is important in every project. Now this is their roadmap. You can read through it and get clear information of the roadmap. Okay, so let's go straight to the app. I've already downloaded it from Google Play Store. I'll be dropping a link so you can as well download it. Now if we come to the app now, for those that don't have an account, now when you open the app, the first thing you get to see here on the app, you say sign in with Facebook, then sign in with Google. Then the next information here says by signing up you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. So let's click on sign in with Google. So the next thing I'll do, I'll select the account which I want to use. I'll click on it. Then I'll select my nickname. I'll put the nickname which I want to use here. I put it here. Then my referral, I'll put it here. Then I'll click on save. Just in case when you're opening your account, what you put here, you put your nickname, then you put your referral, the person that refer you. So you put my name here. So I really appreciate that if you are watching this video. So you use my referral, and the referral is a must because they want to be sure you are not a robot. So the next thing we'll do, click on save, and it brings us to the main interface. You can see it. So to start mining this crypto coin, what I'll do, I'll click on start. So when I click on the start, it display an ad for few seconds before it starts counting. As you can see on the interface, it's 23 hours 59 minutes and some seconds before I will have to come back and click on that start, which is in red. So you have to ensure you open this app every 24 hours and click on start, and you can also refer your friends. Now let's go back to the home page. This is the home page. Now this is the home page. Now for you to refer others to you, for you to invite loved ones and family, now what you tend to do, you have to click on this referral. I'll click on it. Now it brings me to this place. Now if you are inviting someone, you send them your username and you send them the invitation link which they can use to download the app. Now the more you refer others, the more you earn 1 CIO just for referring someone to join. Now the information here says this is your mining speed per hour. To increase the mining speed, invite your friends with the referral code. When you click on reward, it gets to display ad again. Then I had to pause it for the ad to finish playing. I didn't record it, and you can see after I play the ad, I earned some CIO coin. That is to say, the more of the reward you click, whenever you click on this reward, you tend to earn. Now let's check our setting and see. Now in our setting, we have our language, we have accounts, your account information, white paper, privacy policy, terms of service, Opincure email, support, remove account. That remove account is if you decide to delete your account. Let's click on the account and see. Now if you click on the account, it brings you here to the main interface where you have to sign in with your email. Now let's go back to the to the home page. Now if I want to follow them on any of the social media page, I prefer to follow them on Twitter. When I click on the icon, it's supposed to direct me to their page, their Twitter page, but it's not doing that. So I already opened their page on Twitter before this video started, so I will just follow them here on Twitter, so I can always get updates on Twitter whenever they make new posts. So I'm following them now on Twitter, so you can as well do that. And the last post here was June 5th. They say, hi everyone, dear community, would like to tell you about the work we have done lately. This is the information. It says, in the near future, we will launch a new game, Crypto Estate. Beta testing is going to start in a couple of weeks. In the next 1 to 2 months, the CIO coin will be added to the game as well as NFT, which you can buy for CIO. It will give you an opportunity to receive real passive income. We are engaged in legal preparations of our project to bring the CIO coin to the market. Many questions in this part do not depend on us, but on how quickly the authorities work at this moment. It is hard to announce the exact terms of full legal readiness. We are trying to speed up this process as much as possible. Now it's always good to follow them on their page. Whenever you're mining any crypto coin, always follow them on their Twitter handle or Telegram page, so you can always get the new information. Now if we go back to the app, something I want to mention. Now you can see when I click on receive reward, after I've received that reward, there's a time in here. That means in the next 5 hours time, I can also claim another reward. So the more I click on this receive reward, the more I tend to earn this CIO coin. So guys, I do encourage you to register, and so you can earn as much of this coin before the minutes, so you can be among those who would gain from this free airdrop. So thank you. If this video is helpful to you, you can share with your loved ones, friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain your friend Desmond on Money Coin Apps and Airdrop. Do have a wonderful day, and bye for now.